Hey guys, Theo here and I hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me on Keeping It Keto. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so I'm going to show you how to make some flourless low-carb waffles. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'll show you how it's made.
Using a bowl, blender, or even a mason jar, blend together your eggs, almond butter, keto-friendly sweetener, I used Swerve, Greek yogurt, gluten-free baking powder, and a pinch of salt, and blend or shake until everything is smooth. Warm up and grease your waffle iron and cook your waffles for about 4.5 minutes, or until golden brown.
Alright guys, look at how delicious my waffle looks. Looks just like the real thing. Alright, after you put a little bit of butter and some either honey or sugar-free maple syrup, you're ready to eat. Alright, let's see how it tastes. Nice and fluffy with a little nutty taste to it. Not so super sweet. If you like this recipe, it is found in the blog post below. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy.